toilet making that weird sound every few minutes? That's probably a leaky flapper or the fill valve acting up, and fixing it is easier than you think, plus, you'll save a ton of water and cash. First up, pop the tank lid off and listen for the sound. If you hear water trickling or see ripples, it's almost always the flapper not sealing tight, so check for gunk around where the flapper sits and clean it off real good. If the flapper looks worn or crusty, swap it out for a new one. Those things are cheap and can be found at any hardware store. To test if it's the flapper, turn off the water supply at the valve and see if the tank drains slowly. If it's draining, that's your leak. Just replace the flapper and make sure the seat is spotless before putting in the new one. If your tank stays full with the water off, then it might be your fill valve. That's the black thing on the left, which is also super easy to replace with a kit. Kits come with instructions, so just follow along, no plumber needed. Make sure you don't over-tighten anything when putting it back together, and double check for leaks before you call it done. Also, don't forget to turn your water supply back on and give it a flush to see if everything sounds right again. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a running toilet is ignoring the problem, thinking it'll go away on its own. This wastes tons of water and can seriously spike your bill, so nip it in the bud fast. Another common issue is replacing the flapper without cleaning the seat first. If there's any buildup or gunk, even a new flapper won't seal right, so always give that area a solid scrubbing before swapping in a fresh one. The third mistake is not checking the fill valve when replacing the flapper doesn't work. Sometimes that black cylinder is the real culprit, so if your toilet keeps acting up after a flapper swap, just grab a fill valve kit and swap it out. It usually only takes about 15 minutes. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome resource. If you ever need help finding a trustworthy local contractor for plumbing repairs or any home project, you can check reviews and compare options easily. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, signing up helps you connect directly with homeowners searching for reliable pros.